Ever felt like you're flying blind when users drop off your app's checkout flow? Fragmented data, mysterious bounce rates, and zero visibility into why that killer feature isn't sticking. It's enough to make any product manager scream. The Product Analytics Pack changes everything. We're talking event schema design with auto validation, multi touch funnel attribution modeling, dynamic cohort segmentation via behavioral clustering, and A B test frameworks with statistical significance calculators. This isn't guesswork, it's the precision toolkit growth leads, data savvy PMs, analytics engineers, and startup founders have been begging for. Spoiler alert, it works better than your last quarterly roadmap review. Here's what's inside the Product Analytics Pack: behavioral event modeling with schema drift detection, multi-step funnel analysis featuring survival curve visualization, dynamic cohort builder using RFM plus CLV metrics, A/B testing workflows with guardrail checks and Bayesian uplift estimation, automated anomaly detection with root cause triangulation. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Cloud Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just analytics, it's your new secret weapon for user obsession. Installing the Product Analytics Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add product-analytics-pack. That's it. You'll get the full workflow from event ingestion pipelines to retention curve generators, plus 12 working code templates and 3 pre-built dashboard frameworks. Next time you open Claude Code, your AI assistant will auto-suggest funnel hypotheses, flag cohort anomalies, and generate A/B test reports in seconds. No PhD required, no legacy systems broken. Just don't blame us when your CTO asks why you're smiling at your analytics dashboard again.